Jumbo from Disney's Animal Kingdom. I have a feeling we'll be done with the park pretty early. It doesn't seem too busy. So yeah, it's kind of chilly, but I know it's going to be warm later, so I'm trying to get through it. Heading to Starbucks this morning. I thought I was going to get iced coffee, but I'm actually freezing, so I'll probably get hot coffee. And for once, it's not crazy busy in here. We're just walking through Animal Kingdom now. I hear some music, some drums. We just saw Pocahontas. I haven't seen her in, I don't think I've seen her ever. She was cute. She said hi. Baby tiger. We're gonna go see it.
The name is bakso. It's an Indonesian word. It's a meatball soup. Meatball soup.
Meatball soup. It's kind of hard to see the baby tiger. There's a lot of people. We're continuing our trek through the jungle. I'm not sure where we're going now. Guys, there's a cast member who keeps stopping my fiance, and he took a picture with him earlier. I think he's got a crush on him. Ryan has a crush on you or something?
Yeah.
These monkeys are so funny. This one's just hanging out. This one's, I don't know.
5 hours later.
So we just left the Animal Kingdom. We rode, what is it called?
We went on quite a lot of rides.
We saw the Navi Flight of Passage. That's what it was. It's pretty fun. Long line, 2 hours. Just got tired standing there. Now we're heading back to the hotel to have a siesta and go from there.
We're gonna get some food, walk around. We just took a nap. We left Animal Kingdom, I don't know, like 4:30ish. And we went back to our hotel, fell asleep, and now we're here. It's a little busy. Hopefully we don't have to wait in long lines, but yeah, that's the plan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Are you waiting for one more pizza, right?
Yes, for Chris.
For Grace?
Yeah.
We got the Blaze pizza today. We are back in our room. It's like 11 o'clock at night now. And I'm just gonna end this vlog. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining. I didn't end yesterday's vlog, but I'll probably just combine it all in one day. So yeah, tomorrow we are going to the Magic Kingdom, so stay tuned and we'll see you there. Bye!